So we're starting this vlog in traffic. We're doing a little road trip and a little golf trip into the desert. So we drove from San Diego. We're in Temecula right now. There's always traffic here in Temecula. It's always so bad here, right? In the mornings and in the afternoons and the evenings. It's like, no matter what, there's always traffic here in Temecula. Our first stop's gonna be in Beaumont, and then from there we're gonna continue over to La Quinta, which is a little bit past Palm Springs. Staying in a vacation rental, it's a hosted vacation rental for a brand, and I will tell you about the brand in a bit. Hopefully we just don't get there too late because we have an early tea time tomorrow. All right, we made it to our first stop here. Charging the car, and then we're gonna grab some In-N-Out next door here. This has to be like the quietest In-N-Out we've ever been to. There's like a few tables. It's not even that late. So I got a double protein style, so it's lettuce wrapped and whole grilled onions. French fries, we always get them light well, and Tiffany always gets a cheeseburger with chopped chilies. Best value burger. This is the way they should order fries here, light well. Everybody's complaint's always the French fries here, and they're just not ordering correctly. The regular French fries are a little soggy. Light well is the way to go. So convenient that the supercharger here is right next to the In-N-Out. So good burger, French fries, charge up the car. Now we're back on the road. Another 55 minutes.
That's huge.
This place is huge.
We have no friends.
It's very nice.
Oh my goodness. Where do you want to stay?
We have our choices of upstairs, downstairs. This is our first time using the Solgaard suitcase. Let's unpack this and see what it looks like. Do this. And just like that, we're unpacked. I'm just gonna unload the car and then go to sleep at early tea time tomorrow. So the thing with these vacation rentals is that you never know what you're gonna get, but this one is really nice. It still smells brand new in here. We're gonna get settled in, call it a night, and then I'll give you a proper house tour, vacation rental tour tomorrow. It's super early, it's like 5:30 in the morning. We're gonna go play a round of golf. Then I'm gonna come back and give you a little house tour. But if you go check out the sunrise right now, it's pretty cool. But I shot 37 in the front and 43 in the back to shoot 80. It's a rough back nine. The first 10 holes were good. All right, now let's go get something to eat. It's a little expensive. It was good. It This is expensive though. $20 for a sandwich, like a full sandwich, and a small side. Your crepe was also $20 too?
Yeah.
And then the beignets was 15. It's pretty expensive, but it was good though. I saw some TikTok that some lady was like, she went there like 3 times the 3 days she was here. It's good. I don't know if it's like, I'd go 3 times in a row, but we're gonna go get coffee now at this place called Everbloom Coffee. Now, since we have some downtime before dinner, let me give you a little house tour. So as you can tell, this place is nicely decorated. All the detailings, it looks like it's professionally done by an interior designer. All the furniture pieces go together and it's just really well designed. Now let's head into the backyard and let me show you the backyard. I don't book vacation rentals often, but if I did, this is one I would book, especially if I had a big group of friends or a big family that wanted to go on a golf trip out here to La Quinta, then that would be beneficial to book a vacation rental because it would be more cost effective than getting everybody a hotel room. Because you can split the costs among 8 people, it's a pretty good deal. Full disclosure, this stay was hosted, so I didn't have to pay for my stay this time. It was hosted by Homes and Villas by Marriott Bonvoy. You can book vacation rentals through Homes and Villas by Marriott Bonvoy and you'll earn Marriott points as well as Marriott Elite Nights. And so this one in particular was part of their curated collection. So they handpicked a bunch of different vacation rentals that are unique or interesting or cool. And so I definitely recommend that you go check some of those out. I'll link this vacation rental down in the description and I'll link down to Homes and Villas by Marriott Bonvoy as well, so you can go check that out. So now we're gonna go for an early dinner at Arnold Palmer Restaurant. At Arnold Palmer Restaurant. And then hopefully we'll have some time afterwards to go play the part 3. There's a part 3
now turn right onto Signature Way.
that is lit at night, so it's like open until like 8 or 9 p.m. or something. I'm gonna try to hit the part 3, get some more golf in.
In 500.
So that was the Arnold Palmer Restaurant, and it was good. The entrees were good. Appetizers, pretty mediocre on the appetizers. Yeah.
Maybe it's just what we ordered.
Maybe it's just the calamari. I don't know. But cocktails, pretty average as well. Nothing too special. I would skip on the appetizer, the cocktails, and then her meatloaf was good, and then my steak was pretty good as well. It's Arnold Palmer's restaurant, and if you know anything about golf, then you know Arnold Palmer. Kind of just cool golf-related thing, golf-related place to go. Morning. We're gonna go for one more round of golf this morning. Again, it's still pretty early. It's like 5:40. Gotta go out there and get that round of golf in before it gets super hot out there. It's supposed to be like 100 degrees today at like noon. So hopefully we're gonna be done by noon. Woo! It was hot out there.
I feel like it's much hotter.
Yeah, the mountain course is hotter because it's right up against the mountain and there's no wind. All right, done with golf for the weekend. Now let's go get some coffee and then just relax for the rest of the day. This is our first time trying Dutch Brothers. I hear a lot of people talk about it, but our first time having it. I bet you all the drinks are gonna be super sweet. Yeah, we order our bobas less sweet. We don't sweeten our coffee.
No sugar.
I feel like everything's loaded with sugar at Dutch Bros. You got the watermelon fizz. I got the Irish something bevy ice blended. This is a small. This is big for a small. Oh yeah, it's sweet. Back out in the hot sun, driving to dinner. We're going to Desert Club for dinner. It's spelled DSRT space Club. Came back from dinner. It's a good spot. It was good. I can confidently recommend Desert Club. It's one of the newer restaurants here. He's opened recently, so definitely check it out if you're in La Quinta or somewhere close by like Palm Springs or India or wherever. So we're ready to check out now. Just doing our vacation rental home property checklist before we check out, which includes disposing of all the food, turning off the air conditioning, turning off all the lights, putting all the towels in the laundry room, all the fun things that are included when it comes to a vacation rental. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below if you like travel vlogs like this. Thanks for watching this far, and I'll see you guys in the next one.